I knew Frank was out of there. I said, Frank done on these folks, bro.
What's up, Sutton Mob? We are back with another video. Y'all already know. This is episode 2 of Plant Mom.
Being a plant mom, how does that feel? You're a plant mom. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Okay, y'all, so on the last episode, you know, I became a plant mom and I repotted.
Hold on. Let's take a moment to clip that up. Plant mom. That's hard work.
It doesn't work.
That's hard work.
So my last video, y'all, I repotted my plants and I had an amazing time. It was amazing. It was amazing. So, you guys, I'm here to tell you guys, I am a bad plant mom. And
I feel like death in here.
that's why he's here.
I feel like death in here.
It's not funny.
When I first came, it felt like you could breathe a little. Now it just feel like death in here. It feel like plant death in here. What is going on? It feel like
I killed them, you guys. I killed all of them. I'm a bad plant mom. Y'all be sure.
this is the reason I'm here. I'm here for this very reason.
So before he tell y'all, let me tell y'all. So if y'all don't know, we live in Mississippi and we had a winter storm. I started my little plant mom thingy and I water them every Sunday. It's been working. It's been working for me. I promise. They've been blossoming. They've been booming. It's been working. So we had a winter storm and I took them outside and I watered them. They froze.
Something about your story just ain't adding up.
And I
Something a
killed
little
them.
off with your story though. Cause you giving them the shortest version you can find, right? I'm here to give you guys the longest version. I can admit I over exaggerate a lot. So I'm gonna have fun with this story. So can I tell them my version? You gave them your 10-second version.
Guess what
You
happened?
took them outside, you water them and they died, right?
Yeah.
This is my version. So listen, baby she woke up in a good mood. She was like, yeah, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna water my plants. I'm like, oh. Soon I heard water my plants, I said,
See, he
oh.
lied
I
already.
said, oh, babe.
He lied
I said,
already.
I said, babe, I don't think you should put your plants outside. I said, it's a little too cold, right?
Did it?
This is exactly what Shauna said. I hate when you try to come home and tell me what to do.
He is lying.
You ain't no plant mom. Let me do this. I can do this. And I'm like, oh, babe, I'm like, you going a little too far. I'm like, I'm just saying, I don't think you should put the plants outside right now.
He lied.
Dude, for real, when you get back on the road, cause this ain't gonna work. Like,
You overselling it.
you need to get back on the road because I don't want bro Lucky Lucy. What's the plant name? Lucky Lucy.
You know you lied.
I brought Lucky Lucy
I
back
know,
to life.
Lady Luck.
Lady Luck, yeah, I brought Lady Luck back to life. And you not here with them clipping their ends and making sure I talk to them every morning. I'm like, Shauna, I'm just saying, it's too cold for the plants to be outside. This is the part that said, you know what? I'm gonna allow you to kill your plants. When she said this, these are palm trees from Florida. They used to the cold. And I said palm trees from Florida, and they used to the cold. I'm like, you sure about that, Shauna? Dude, I done did all my research, you can go look at my YouTube history. I'm like, all right, baby. Put your plants outside. And this is exactly what I did. I said, put your plants outside. I'm looking at my time, because I knew it wasn't going to take long for them plants to die.
That's me.
She put her plants outside. She watered her plants, looking out. She in the house dancing. The girl got breakfast. I'm dancing with her. Shit. I'm like, shit. Yeah, I'm dancing with her. 1 hour later, I call him Frank. Can we show Frank? Soon as she brought Frank in the house, get what I bust out and say. Frank didn't keep the bucket on these folks. I knew Frank was done. I said, Frank didn't keep the bucket on these folks. Dude, they always look like that when I bring them in the house. They just need a little sunlight. Exactly. Ain't no sunlight. It's a winter storm. It's 10 degrees outside. I'm like, Shauna, and I'm watching her bring them in one by one. She bring Lady Luck. What's her name? Lady Luck. Lady Luck won't look any day. And when as soon as I seen Lady Luck, I said, damn, bro, cause you say you talk to Lady Luck, so I was trying to save you. The palm trees come in, they looking all brown. Sean like, nah, they always, next she feeling like, she like, they always looking like that. So the reason why I said 1 hour, like, I knew it was gonna take 2 hours for her to meet it. So the next hour, she clipping and cutting shit off. I'm like, what you clipping over there? She like, nah, that's just a little, show them your plants. Show them folks Frank.
Show Frank.
Frank didn't keep the bucket on these folks. Frank got out of there. Frank didn't take no time. Soon Frank went out there, then what happened to Frank? I knew Frank was out of there. I said, Frank done on these folks, bro.
Don't talk about Frank like that.
I said, Frank done on these folks. That's Frank. Now let's show Lady Luck.
Lady Luck. Stop calling Lady Luck. Lady Luck right here.
Oh yeah, Lady Luck been done too. So who that is right there then?
It's the elephant. That's the one we really killed. We.
Nah, it ain't no we. She really did a number on this one. She really did a number on this one. There's another little sprout right there though.
Yeah, and these two, because these was gone too. They come back.
Now, I don't know about plants. Maybe plants do die off and grow back fast. I don't know. But I do know.
This nigga grew 2 days.
I do know when I got out the road, I'm like, damn, a plant where I can breathe a little better. I'm like, man, it's alright in here. That look, it feel like death in here, man. It just don't feel right. It don't feel. Put that back over there. So the reason why I'm here, to rub this in. I said, babe, let's just wait for a minute. And you like, dude, you need to get back on the road. Call your supervisor. Every time you come home, you try to run everything. I'm the one that water them and clip them and buy new soil for them and majestic soil. You were naming the soil, and I'm like, okay. I'm not a plant dad, like you a plant mom.
Plant dad.
No, I'm not. I ain't got nothing to do with that. I ain't got nothing to do with that.
You the daddy. You killed him too. You allowed me to kill him. You the plant dad.
I just asked you this morning. I said, babe, let me get Frank. Nah. I'm like, okay, so if I'm a plant dad, who do I own? I want Frank.
We together.
I don't want to know business with you. No. You don't listen. No. I can call you on the road, but I don't put Frank outside. It's a little cold out there. Leave Frank it out. No. I won't do no business with you. Tell these folks on camera, can I have Frank?
Can I have Frank?
Yeah, y'all see? It's cool though. Keep killing them. Frank can keep the bucket on these folks. You brought Frank in first. As soon as I seen Frank, I said, damn, Frank didn't keep the bucket on these folks. Frank was pretty though. The palm tree was pretty too. I ain't gonna lie. But I knew you were gonna kill them because you said, they from Florida. They used to come. When you said that, I said, wait a minute. Florida ain't cold. I'm like, where I been?
I was tripping though.
Yeah, you was tripping with those. You killed all of them. Like, ain't nothing alive around here. It just feel like death in this studio. It feel like death. Frank didn't keep the bucket on these folks.
I'm gonna run back there, y'all. I mean, it's a process. Like being a plant mom and plant dad.
They got nothing to do with me.
You know, it takes time. I mean, you learn. You learn from it. So. I'm emotional about it.
The reason why I really wanted to come on set, for one, I wanted to get a feel of the new studio. I'm feeling this fire. But I really just want to rub in your face because you got to do a better job of listening. You got to do a better job of listening.
I water them every
Sunday. Had 30 minutes. I'm like, babe, and I wouldn't even get mad when you were throwing your little shot. You ain't here. You ain't here. You don't never be here. You don't even come check on us. So I wasn't even tripping on it. I'm just like, babe. I'm just saying, I don't think you should I'm like, we can't even go outside. Like they had us on like that. I'm like, I just think you need to just ride this one out. Like, just leave this one alone. And you was like, nah.
I mean, it's trial and error, right? Right, Frank?
Frank done.
That's Frank. As a matter of fact, it's gonna be Elizabeth.
So her name, so that's Lady Luck. That's Lady Luck. That's Frank, that's Elizabeth, that's Lady Luck. Who this one is?
We gotta get him a name.
So, this the girl, this a boy. Got that Frank kicked the bucket on him for. He got me Frank, and that's Elizabeth.
We got one more.
I think Elizabeth done though. I don't think she gonna come
You
back.
did this. But yeah, so I killed them. I killed every last one of them.
They gone, y'all. They gone, y'all. This series didn't last that long either. You one video in, they done. They done. These folks done. So now the rest of the series gonna be trying to bring them back to life. I mean, you did good for the time being.
Yeah, that's why he's here, you guys, to rub it in.
I'm not here to rub it in. I'm just here to make sure that they get the true story. You probably can't really say some BS.
No,
You probably like, oh, Troy knocked it down playing through the house. You probably.
Why would I lie about it?
I don't trust you when it comes to plants. Hey, so yeah, she gonna redo the series, and she gonna start from scratch. She gonna try to bring these back to life. But I think Frank done. Like Elizabeth started to grow back. I think Frank done though. I think Frank done.
Frank ain't done. Watch. Okay, y'all. So there y'all have it. I'm a bad plant mom. I killed my babies. So this is the end of episode 2. So y'all be on the lookout for episode 3. I'm gonna bring them back to life.
Bring them back to life. Yeah, just listen to me, all right?
Okay.
All right. Now, if you don't listen to me, they ain't gonna make it. Listen to me. All right, I do this.
All right.
I do this. All right, Sutton Mob. No, y'all done heard this in a minute, but all you gotta do is tell 10 people to tell 10 people to tell 10 people to like, comment, and
subscribe.
And it's just like that, Sutton Mob. We out.